Well, here it is. 5 years in the making. We've been planning this thing for 5 years now. This is Goliath. Here, open the door. Let me show them the little logo. This is Goliath. This is our version of an overland exploration vehicle. Man, look at the height of that seat. Wait, stand up next to it so you can see where the seat is. It's just below your shoulders. Hop up there. Think you'll have a good view from up in there?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah. See, this is our version of an RV that you can take anywhere. And we haven't built one of these before. This is our first time. We designed everything, laid it out in SketchUp, had a friend of ours in Phoenix build it at Nomad Trucks. Mark, he's awesome. And then we did all this body work, and we've done everything. We're building the entire interior and exterior. This cabinet right here for storage. It's the water bay and sewer bay, and there's a firewood storage under here. All these little body panels we've done, molded in the factory Ford F-250 taillights. It's an F-550 with a super single swap, but I think the F-250 lights look good. We got a two electric motorcycle garage that goes in this box. We made this tray and this box, and they mount right here.
Look at how tall it is.
Yeah. Come to the door. Let's see how high it is on you.
Barely reached that.
And normally when you open the door, these are electric steps, and they come out obviously so you can step up in there.
Did you show them the bunks?
We got the bunks done this week. Well, it's like the gear garage. So you put when the kids are with us, they have 3 bunks, and then when they go up against the wall, we can put dirt bikes or motorcycle or bicycles or whatever in there.
Show them the Crawford.
And we got to put this in up today. Yeah, that's right. There's access to the front, to the cab. We're working on the interior right now.
Here's my seat.
It's pretty high up there too.
Yeah.
Look at that. We got a screen for all cameras on all 4 sides. This is a FLIR system for nighttime driving, so you can see wildlife and unsavory characters. This is our navigation. Of course, this is the Ford infotainment system. This is our battery monitor, the truck's batteries and the RV batteries at all times. We got our CB in here. Air ride. Whoop whoop.
Breaker. Is that what you're supposed to say?
That's right. We got a front hitch here, carry a dirt bike on the front. So here it is. It's coming along. All we lack is finishing.